Let's create a Box and Whisker plot within Excel. So we have 3 stores here, the North Store, South, and also West with weekly revenue. And what we want to do is go ahead and select it, including our headers, and go to the insert at the top, and then go over to charts and do the insert statistic chart, and it will be the bottom option here. So once we open up our chart here, we can go ahead and add a quick title here. So let's go ahead and call this Store Consistency Analysis. And then you might notice that we don't have a legend here, and we can add that using this plus and then go down to legends. Now we see our different stores here for the different colors, and we can make this a little bit bigger here. So let's go ahead and look at the interpretation. So the first thing you'll notice is that we have these boxes of varying sizes here. The box is going to represent the middle 50% of your data, or the inner quartile range. This is the bottom right here, the bottom 25%, and then this is the top 75% mark. A tall box means that your data is volatile, and then a short box means that it's pretty consistent. The line inside of your box is going to be your median, or the exact middle number. And then these X's here, this is going to be your mean. Also, notice how our medians here are not the exact same as our mean. That means that our data is a little bit skewed. And then finally, the whiskers, we see these tall marks right here. That's going to be our maximum and minimum values. And then the dots outside of here are going to be our outliers. So looking at our Box and Whisker, we can see that the blue store, the North Store, is pretty consistent overall. It looks like our mean and median are pretty similar. Looking at our South Store, it's kind of all over the place. We do have some great sales some of the week, but then also we have some pretty low sales also. And then our West Store, it's also pretty consistent, but we do have some outliers here. Our mean is being pushed up a little bit because of this outlier here, which if we go over to our data set, it looks like it's going to be this 12,000 revenue for one of the weeks.